What's up, guys? Another episode number 3 of the stump grinder rebuild. This one is going to be interesting because I'm taking off the actually I did take off the wheel. Let me show you what we got. Alright, that's the wheel, that's the stump grinder. Main problem right now is Dad and this one. As you can see, link belt, and there's a number PB22 424 0128. These came out easy, the other ones are just cut off. They're good, they're bad. They're good, they're bad. Use the torch. Now I've been hammering this way, and then this way, and this way. And it moved a little. Not much. They say cut right here and take this off and order a new shaft. I'm trying not to order a new shaft. I thought about rebuilding those. Just put new bearings in. There's a set screw. That comes out. Then there's a ring in here that turns counterclockwise, and then you can take the bearing out and replace the bearing, which is probably much cheaper. I found them online for $200 on China. Once I got this off, how do I get this off? This is the first time I've done that, and I have no idea what I'm doing. There's no videos on YouTube about how to change out these things. So comment below, how do I get the wheel off? If you get any ideas, I need a little help. If you got ideas how to rebuild these or what to do next. I read about cutting them off with the torch, but I don't know how to get the wheel off. No, the wheel. This thing is heavy. I took off the set screw already of the bearing. It still don't move. I did it both sides. Ugh. There's another hole right here with a thread, and the same on this one too, on the other side. But there's no set screw in there. It's completely empty. Stump grinder wheel. Need some help? Thank you.